All right, y'all, let's go ahead and do a cabin tour. This is Celebrity Summit, room 3105, a regular inside cabin on deck 3. We'll go ahead and start at the door as usual. So you'll have your muster information and all that there on the back of the door as usual. This is a magnet that you put on the outside of the door to let your room steward know that you are occupying the room. This room's configuration, immediately to the right, you've got 2 closets. I'll back up a little bit so you can see. And they're both more or less the same as far as like you could hang up on both sides. This one has a few more shelves than that one. And then if we continue on this way, there's some clear like cabinets. The safe is in there and they're very reflective. You can see me and stuff as well. Down here is a little bit of like counter space, I guess, if you will. There are a couple of snacky things there that do cost money, so be careful when messing with any of that. And then we've got drawers there. They open up all the way down. This one is where the fridge is. Well, you open it on the other side. I've clearly never opened that before. So this room was remodeled in 2019. This whole ship was revamped, but it looks like they kept the old refrigerators because you can notice that the wood tones don't quite match, but no problem with that. Is it this side or this side? Yeah. And then this is set up as a mini bar, so be careful. Don't be drinking any of that stuff. We did use it to store our water, which you can do as well. But yeah, it came preloaded with a bunch of stuff. Here is the electronic situation on the vanity, and then this is the vanity light. I'll go ahead and turn that on. Then you've got a few more drawers down here as well. Not really sure where the hairdryer is. Oh, it's in the bathroom. Okay, we'll get to that. Usually they put them in the vanity drawers, but not on this ship. That's the vanity top there. Pardon our stuff on there. We have a little note for the room steward. We had like one of the best cabin stewards we've ever had. So as per usual, we left a good tip for him. There's a big bright mirror there with a light surrounding it. Super nice. Then we come around this way. This is the bed, obviously. It's usually much more nicely made than this. I just sort of like pulled the blankets over for the video because we just woke up a few minutes ago. So in this room, only that light works. The one over there doesn't, but does the power work in that light? Yeah, so if you look, we've got USB and 2 power outlets there in the lamps on both sides, which was super convenient. This is actually the only room we've ever had where it's had that much like power by the bed. And it was very convenient. We didn't have to use any portable chargers or anything like that, like we've done in the past. Nice art on the wall there. And then this is the volume knob and the switch to control the main lights. So you can turn the lights on and off from bed. That does not control the vanity light though, so you have to work that one separately. There's a TV remote. Let me go ahead and rotate around. Pardon our backpacks and stuff. We're getting ready to leave the room. Nice TV over there, good size, and good viewing angle from bed, I thought. It looks like it might be a little bit too high, but I didn't feel like it was too high when we were watching it. And then we've got this little couch thing here, and this I do believe pulls out. We obviously didn't need it to, but this room can sleep 3 if I'm not mistaken. So check the deck map, whatever plans to confirm that, but I'm 95% sure that pulls out. Table there. We got the thermostat situation there, an older thermostat. This isn't obviously an older ship, so it makes sense. This is the switch to the light, the light to the, what is it? To the bathroom. And then Here, back in the kind of main area, we've got the main light switch to the room. We'll go ahead and open the bathroom so you can see. At night, when things are off, you do have that like a glow of a light in there, which is really convenient if you're just getting up to like hop in there real quick and don't want to like blind yourself. There's enough light in there to do, you know, mostly everything that you need to do. We've got the toilet here, toilet paper. This is where they're gonna hang all the towels. You come around, there's some nice storage on the side there. Also some more storage on the bottom if you need it. There's the hair dryer that I was asking about. Of course, we haven't needed that, although I do have a, you know, quite a lot of hair at the moment. Going to get a haircut as soon as I get home. Some nice lighting in here, very bright. That's a hand towel hanger there, soap, all of that. Originally, this ship had a curtain, but in the redesign, they did put this glass door on it. It's a pretty nice shower. It's kind of on the tight side. It's a good, I guess, length, because you see it's a rectangle in the bottom, but it's a little bit narrow. So that took some getting used to for me because I'm above average size, but it was a comfortable shower once I got used to it. Nice shower head, all of that. You get shampoo, body wash, and conditioner in here, and I did use that. We brought our own stuff too, but I used their stuff a couple of times and it was just fine. And then, yeah, I guess that's it for the bathroom. Then I'll do a nice spin of the room so you all can see where we're at again. So here's the door, like where we started. Closets. Vanity. Counter space, fridge, storage, safe, vanity. Circle around, nightstand, bed, artwork, Carlos, and then the pull-out couch, the table, thermostat, entry to the bathroom, bathroom light, back to the door. But that's it. Not bad. It was a comfy room for us. A little on the small side, but definitely I feel like the upgrades and updates that they did back in 2019 are really apparent. Very comfortable, cozy room. But yeah, I want to thank you all so much for traveling with us. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, all those fun things. We'll talk soon, and y'all have a good night.